Hi everyone, as I write this, it's May 2018. After quite a few days of rainy weather, it looks like we're in for a heat wave. I don't want to get my hopes too high, but the weather forecast looks really good. So what better time to put together a collection of pictures from a snow day back in December last year. Then too I watched the weather forecast and uncharacteristically got up before sunrise. Awake before dawn, I put my boots on. I've been photographing my hometown of St Ives in Cambridgeshire for several years now and hadn't got any good shots of the snow. Maybe we'd had some mild winters, maybe I'd just stayed inside in the warm. I took out my Fuji X-E3 and also an X-T2, two cameras with the exact same sensor, but with two big differences. First, the X-T2 has the flippy screen, which I love very much and find extremely useful for street photography. But importantly for snowy conditions, the X-T2 is weather sealed. I learnt that the hard way that day, as the X-E3 was my new camera at the time, and I was just so keen to get out and play with it in the snow. While I was photographing on St Ives Bridge, a local TV cameraman pointed at the snow settling on my camera and said that he hoped the camera was waterproof. Why would it need to be waterproof, I thought. This is snow. So as it happens, when I got home, I did find I was having some issues with the on-off switch being a bit sticky. It had been before its snow adventure, but now it seemed a real issue. I sent it to Fuji, and as you'd expect, they quickly repaired it for me. It seems no serious damage was done, but I certainly learned a lesson. Overall, I'm really happy with the pictures. It was worth getting up early for. I'll list the lenses I used in the description. Thanks again everyone, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.